Hey guys, it's Sean Hackett, also known as the Street View Dude, and back here at Radnor Lake State Park. Did some trails the other day, and I'm just kind of in our second day here of filming trails. We're gonna hit the Ganier Ridge Trail today. It's about 1.65 miles. I'm gonna backtrack a little bit to make sure I get the trail. And then I'm gonna hit, this is technically the access trail is what it's called. I think it's 0.25 miles. So the goal here is we're filling in where Google Street View does not exist. If you go onto Google, do the Street View overlay, and you try to look up Radnor Lake State Park. It's a state park in Middle Tennessee. Actually, it's in Nashville, just about 15 minutes south of downtown. You will see this beautiful lake. It's an 85-acre lake, and 7.75 miles of biking, hiking, not really biking. Biking is the main road, but hiking trails. It's really kind of a fun place, just so close to Nashville. So if you're visiting Nashville, or if you live here, come check out Radnor Lake and do a walk. Now, obviously you can tell already, I'm getting winded, so apologize about that. I'll try to turn that down a little bit. But going uphill here, and this is the access trail, and I'm gonna film pretty much the whole way through and add it on. It may be added on to a prior video as a chapter. It may be its own video. So it'd be great if y'all liked the video. Let me know what you think. Make a comment. Subscribe if you haven't already, because we do a lot of different street views. Again, Radnor Lake's our first one in Tennessee, but mostly in Florida campgrounds. So I'm gonna stick this thing over my head and we're gonna get going. So the next time you get onto Google Street View, look down and you'll see my logo, the Street View Dude. So, all right, here we go, guys. Okay, I'm gonna come back and get that. All right, oh gosh. Made it on the Ganier Ridge Trail and actually heading toward the lake trail. The majority of the trail goes back behind me, and we're gonna backtrack and go back that way. I've just gotta fill in all the gaps for Google Maps Street View, and we're gonna tie it together with the Lakeview Trail that we did the other day. And so when you go onto Google Maps, it'll all be one solid blue line all the way around the park with all the trails marked. So I'm gonna have a link to the map in the description below, so you can pull it up and see all the different trails that are out here. It'll show the distances and everything. And that way, if you ever want to come out and check it out, you can. You can see what's more strenuous and what's not. This is going to be a little bit more strenuous than the main trail. The other day I kept calling it the South Lake Trail. There is a South Lake Trail, but it's the main Otter Creek Road. It's south of the lake, and then there is a trail north of the lake, which is the Lake Trail. I called it the North Lake Trail. So anyway, we'll get it straight in the description and then the trail map that's online. So, all right, I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna tie in together with the lake trail, and then I'll backtrack it back. There aren't as many people on the more challenging trails, the Ganier Trail. So, and that's probably a good thing. Okay, we made it back to the lake trail. I'm going to do a little backtracking here just so it'll tie into Google Maps. Give it a little bit of time each way. and hopefully that's enough. This is actually to the right. This is an eagle nesting area. So there are bald eagles out here and other eagles, and supposedly a nesting area. I've seen a couple out here. Not many, but sometimes, certain times of the year, you'll see a few. But okay, I'm going to backtrack through this, and of course I'll fast forward this part since you've already seen it, and we'll pick back up. Okay, I'm connected back with the access trail to the parking lot, and now gonna keep going. Good night. It's 1.5 miles this way to the end, where it ties back into the lake trail, the North Lake Trail. Whew! A little bit more strenuous. Don't know if you'd want to jog out here. You might twist an ankle. The main Otter Creek Road and main lake trail are better for that. But this is a good workout for sure. Lots of roots. Can't wait till we go downhill. Okay. Good night. Okay. Oh, barbed wire fence right there. Must have been, had to be keeping something out, something in. Interesting, it's got to be old. Don't want to take a tumble down that way. That would not be good. Got a switch back here. Hope coming down's better. Excuse me. That's good stuff. I'm a wimp, I know. Oh. Flattening out a little bit. Wow. Okay, guys. I think I've made it to the top of the ridge. I hope. Oh my gosh. Yeah, a little more strenuous. All right, just hang with me. It's downhill. All right, I'm going to split this video into 2 parts just because for Google Street View I can only put 25 minutes of video up and we're almost at 25. So I'm going to stop it, but I'm going to pick it right back up right here. So just hang with me and we'll start it again. Okay, got it back on and starting the second part of this. So yeah, it looks like mostly downhill, a little up and then down, so looking forward to that. I was worn out. That was Like climbing steps for 3/4 of a mile. I can handle this. This isn't bad at all. This must be technically the top with the bench number 40 right there. I lied, we're still going uphill. Hello there, y'all come on by. It's fine if you want to come around. I'll go this way. How are you today? Hey, a little winded. Okay, word of advice. When you're doing the Ganier Ridge Trail, start on the north side of the entrance to the trail. I start on the south side. South side's is very steep going up and gradual come down. Therefore, start on the north side, it's gradual going up and then it's steeper going down. Maybe a little easier. Guess it could be challenging either way, but you decide. All right, I see the lake. That's a good sign. So we're getting up toward the end of the trail. Okay guys, hey, I made it back to the lake trail. Thanks for hanging in there with me on the Ganier Trail. That was pretty challenging and it's something I definitely want to come back and do again and train for. So good steps, good steps. But yeah, that was a good workout. So I'm heading back on the lake trail and just gonna keep walking a little bit, but I wanted to thank you all for watching. And again, anytime through this, you can always fast forward and get to a spot or get to a trail that you want to get to. But it'd be great if you liked the video, subscribe, and comment. Let us know if you've been to Radnor Lake, down the trails, and let me know what you think about the video. So we're going to keep doing more of these. If I can find some more trails around Middle Tennessee to hit, I'll do it. And this was a nice sunny 60-degree day in January, so I thought let's get out and do some hiking and put Radnor Lake on Google Street View. So the next time that you're on Google Street View, look down at the path. You'll see the blue line all the way around the lake. Look down and you'll see my logo, Street View Dude on YouTube. And just keep following along. We'll keep adding them as long as y'all keep watching. I'll keep doing it either way. I like documenting all this and seeing where we go, seeing where the road takes us. So I want y'all to have a great day, and hope you have a happy new year.